What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a 8-month review on the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Now I've had these earbuds for about 8 months, they came out 8 months ago, so we are gonna give you guys an update if they're actually worth the money or not. I'm going to start by unboxing the earbuds, of course. I did place them back into the box. Even though I unboxed them 8 months ago, I wanted you guys to have the full unboxing experience. So if you are gonna open the box, you will be greeted with the Galaxy earbuds, of course, and they are safely secured in their case. You will also be included a charging cable and a few earbud sizes, because everybody has different size ears, so this will help you to find your ideal size of earbuds. So yeah, with that being said, this is the unboxing part of the video. Let's get into the review. For the 8-month review on these earbuds, I have to say guys, I've owned a lot of earbuds in the past, like countless earbuds guys. Like I've had so many earbuds that literally just broke the 1 month after I bought them, 2 weeks after I bought them, bro. But these earbuds has literally lasted me the longest I've ever had any earbud lost, bro. Like it lasted 8 months and it's still going strong, guys. There is no wear on the earbud, no noticeable sound shift. Everything is still as the same as the day I bought these earbuds. So I would absolutely recommend you guys get them, because I think this is probably the best budget earbuds on the market right now. You do literally get like touch controls, guys. Now you don't get volume touch controls, but you can still pause and unpause any media, and you can still get pretty good noise cancellation, guys. I have to say, bro, for this price range to actually have this good of noise cancellation, it's insane, guys. But just remember, it doesn't really have a waterproof rating all that much, so please don't get these earbuds wet. Okay, if they have a drop of water on them, make sure to wipe it off immediately. But other than that, guys, for the price range, bro, and the battery life is like 6 hours or something per single charge, and then the case can charge them about like 3 times full, I guess. So 3 charges from the case and then 6 hours, so that's like I believe 18 hours that it lasted me for like a whole charge for the case. So yeah, guys, that's basically the 8-month review, man. Of course, you guys want to hear the mic test on these earbuds, so I will switch over to the mic in 1, 2, 3. This is the Samsung Galaxy FE Buds mic test, and if you guys want to just call somebody or talk on Discord, these earbuds are perfect for that. So I don't know if they will be perfect if you want to make content, but I think they will be pretty good. Their mic is definitely a lot better than a lot of other budget earbuds. So yeah, this is the mic test. You guys can hear how it sounds. I'm gonna say like you guys can also hear that. So yeah, you guys can judge if you guys like the mic. I am making a relatively long audio recording, so you guys can hear a perfect example of how these earbuds sound and the noise cancellation as well. I am now back talking on my normal microphone, so you guys could clearly hear this microphone does sound better because it's a dedicated content creation mic. So the Galaxy FE Buds, the mic does sound decent, but I would suggest just using it for calls and voice note, nothing serious like content creation. But other than that, the other specs are pretty promising for this price range, so I would recommend you guys buy it if you guys are looking for a really good, strong budget earbud. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you guys can be notified when I post another review video, because I review all kinds of tech products on this channel. And make sure to go check out this video up here if you guys want to see this laptop unboxing, if you guys have been thinking of getting a new gaming laptop. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.